Now, installing profiles in Lightroom is nowhere near as complicated as it might be in Photoshop. As you could well imagine, Lightroom is nowhere near the program that Photoshop is. It's very, very straightforward, though, in Lightroom. No complexity to it whatsoever. Here I have this shot of downtown Birmingham, Alabama, shot from Vulcan that I took this summer. And we want to put the Burrito Rag profile in here. And the way you do that is go to the Print module, click on that, and ignore what you see in the workspace. But if you want to install the printer paper profile, come over to Color Management. You're going to have to scroll down because you start here, and then scroll down under Color Management, click on the drop-down list, and if you don't see it up here in the list, just click on Other, and it will take you to your Color Sync profile list. And then, of course, you can browse as you normally would. And let's go ahead and get that Burrito Rag. Click on that, hit OK. It's perceptual, relative, colorimetric, and voila, it's done. Now, what I would recommend that you do is that when you bring the photo into the workspace, just go to the Print module, then go back to the Develop module, adjust your image, and you will do so with that Print Paper module already loaded into the image. Now, it does install under the Convert process and not under the Assign process, as we discussed in the previous movie. So dealing with profiles in Lightroom, very, very easy. Go ahead and give it a try, and I think you'll like the results.